In this session, I'm going to brief about the derived lipid, the importance and its application. What are derived lipids? These are the lipids which are derived from the simple and the complex lipid by the process of hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is a chemical process with the involvement of water molecule. The simple and the complex lipid is broken down into derived lipids. Derived lipid includes your fatty acids, the glycerol, sphingosine and steroid derivatives. Since they are derived from the simple and complex lipid, they should possess the properties of lipid. Steroids are the best examples of derived lipids. They consist of tetracyclic ring. So they are chemically called to be as cyclopentene perhydrophenanthrene ring structure. So this is a basic structure of the steroid, where it usually consists of 4 different types of ring. R refers to the side chain which is attached to the basic ring structure of steroids. Sterols are coming under the structural lipids. They are usually present in the membranes of eukaryotic cells. So cholesterol is best example for the sterols. These are the sterols of animal tissues. The steroid alcohols are the subgroup of steroids with presence of hydroxyl group at the position of carbon 3. The cholesterol consists of a steroid nucleus which is chemically called to be a cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrene ring having 27 carbon atoms. They are amphipathic in nature because they act as a polar and the non-polar molecule, because they consist of hydroxyl group at the position 3 and the presence of steroid nucleus and hydrocarbon at the 17th carbon makes them to be as act as non-polar. So because of the presence of both polar group at the carbon 3 and non-polar group at 17 carbon makes them to be called to be as amphipathic. These cholesterols are usually exist as cholesterol ester, means a fatty acid which is attached to the third carbon. They are widely distributed in all the cells of nervous tissue, and it is usually occurs in the animal fat, not in the plant fat, so it is called to be as an animal sterol. And these are first isolated from the bile, so it is also called to be as solid alcohol from bile. So maintenance of cholesterol level in the body is very important. If there is an elevation in the level of cholesterol in the blood, it leads to the development of atherosclerosis and myocardial infarction. So abnormality of cholesterol metabolism results in the cardiovascular accidents and the heart attacks. So what are the functions of the derived lipids? They are the structural constituents of cell membrane and the plasma lipoprotein. So we have discussed about the lipoprotein in the complex lipid. So the lipoproteins are those lipids which consist of lipid and the protein groups, where the protein serves as the prosthetic group which is associated with the lipid. And derived lipids are also the precursor for the steroid hormones like progesterone, glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, androgen and estrogen. And some of the bile acids and the vitamin D are derived from the cholesterol. Thank you.